I'm going to tune this little Samick grand piano. And there's one problem here. The owner told me that the hammer here is stuck. It's not going back, so I have to finish this. Before I start tuning, I will fix this hammer problem here. It's not going back like the other hammers. You see it here. When we take a look at it, it's standing up, stuck there. Hello. If you are new here, my name is Davíð. So I have to take the mechanism out so I can fix the hammer and check what's wrong with the hammer. So the problem here is too stuck here. So I have to maybe it's stuck like this here. The other hammers here, to take them up. Pick up my screwdriver. Checking the other arm is if someone else is stuck. So the stiffness is here, it's not going back again. It's too stiff here inside. Now it's a little more loose, but I have to make it. So at least the hammer is going down now. Sometimes this trick is working. I have to make it a little more loose. But it's better now, but I'm not. This was not good enough. Sometimes I have to just move the axle a little here. See it coming from outside here to make a little more space for the axle. to change it, I find out. It's okay now. So the noise is here. I have to, you can see it here, tighten this is little loose here. Good at it. And there's less noise in the mechanism. These two hammers, if you see it here, they are too high. I have to lower them a little, sitting too high. If you can see what I was doing, I'll just see it from here. This one is a little high, so I have to put the balls here a little down to take the hammer line. The second one I was doing here. So the problem also with cheap instruments, we see the gap here between the hammers is not very nice. We have to put them more better together, and kind of like here is not good. And I see it's just touching this little part of the right string here. So I have to move it a little bit to left and right. We see after the strings, we have to shape this hammer Icelander. And I can see here where the string is hitting the hammers. I finished fixing this piano tuning and repairing the hammers. Gonna put it together. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more videos like this. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. This hammer here, if you can see it, it was stuck up like this and didn't go all the way down. I'm moving it now, yeah, it goes up now, and when I lose it, it goes down. So it's okay now. The hammer is working very well.